The question I hear most often from marketing leaders today is social media marketing finally dead? It's a fair question, rooted in the frustration that organic reach has plummeted. Algorithms change daily, and every platform pushes a pay-to-play model. But the truth is, social media marketing is not dead. The old version of it, the one that guaranteed free, easy distribution, is dead. What has replaced it is a sophisticated, measurable, and highly competitive performance marketing ecosystem. The first thing you must accept is that social media has become a precision machine, driven by artificial intelligence. AI is now integrated into every major platform, handling hyper-personalization, running simultaneous A/B tests, and optimizing ad spend in real time. If you cannot prove a strong ROI with hard metrics like cost per acquisition, you are simply wasting money. To succeed in this new system, your content must evolve. The audience no longer wants to be marketed to. They want to be connected with, which is why the power has shifted from mega influencers to UGC creators and nano influencers who command higher trust and relatability within niche communities. Your creative output must lean heavily into authentic, short-form video that looks like it was made by a friend, not a marketing team. Furthermore, you must recognize that platforms are no longer just for scrolling. They are rapidly becoming social commerce hubs and search engines. You must now optimize your content for social search, using clear captions and on-screen text to appear when users search on TikTok or Instagram. Finally, you must move beyond the noisy public feed and engage in niche, private communities, from Discord to broadcast channels, as these spaces offer the highest intent engagement. The only thing that's truly dead is stagnation. To thrive, you must embrace the new reality.